Hey there, welcome back. Let us solve the SQL problem, replace employee ID with a unique identifier. We were given two tables, employees and the employee uni. So we need to write a solution to find the unique ID of each user. If the user doesn't have a unique ID, replace with null. So we need to find all the users and their corresponding unique IDs. In this example, we have Alice and Bob. They do not have any corresponding unique IDs. So we just use the null instead. But for the rest, we show their corresponding unique IDs. In this problem, we need columns from both the tables. And we need all the rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. So we could use a left join. So let us write some SQL. So select unique ID and name from employees and left join with the employees uni on the ID column. So when we run this, we get the expected output. And when we submit, our solution is accepted. In MySQL or Postgres, we can also write the join with a using clause. Using clause simplifies the syntax by specifying the columns used for the join when both tables have the column with the same name. And when we run this, we get the expected output. Let us see what happens during a left join step by step. We have employees table on the left and the employee uni table on the right. And we need the result table to contain unique ID and name. Here, ID1 Alice doesn't have any matching ID in the right table, so unique ID is null. The same goes with ID7. But for the rest of the IDs, we have a match. So we retrieve the corresponding column values and populate them in the result table. Here, ID3 has a match with unique ID 1. Left join automatically replaces the missing values from the right table with null. You can also use a left join to identify rows in the left table that have no match in the right table. This is also known as a anti-join. It is essentially a way to perform set subtraction. So here we can implement the anti-join by combining the left join with where null clause. So when we run this, the query has returned all the rows from the employees table that doesn't have a match in the employee uni table. So we can use it for finding unmatched records or orphaned entries.